Welcome to this quick guide video of the Netpresenter message server. This video will help you to get started in the message server. You can access the message server via your browser. Just fill in your username and password and click on Login. Click the New Message button to start creating a new message. Start creating your message by filling in a title and body text. On the right side, you see a live preview of your message. Continue by selecting a template that fits your message. A template can consist of a predefined color theme, which defines the colors of the background, footer, and title. Next, you have the option to add one or more media objects. This can be an image or a video. Optionally, you can select the transition between slides. As you can see, there is plenty to choose from. Turn on scheduling to set a specific time frame on which your message must be displayed. If you choose not to, your message will be displayed from the time you publish it until you manually deactivate or delete it. In the advanced options, you can add a hyperlink to guide people to further information. You can also add an RSS feed in the trigger field and set the duration of the slide. So, are you satisfied with the result? Click the Save button. Switch the status of your message to On, and click the Publish button to publish your messages. That's it, your message will now be visible on the selected screens.